What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and if you remember the Edifier 2.0 speakers that you have seen before, and they sounds very great. Though these are like 4-inch woofer, they both are, and they're 1-inch dome tweeter, not 1-inch, 0.75 inch or something like that. But they sound like amazing. The highs and the low. They have very good bass, like bigger woofers. I didn't expect that much sound from this tiny speakers. As you can see, they are very small in size. And I did the sound test before with Bluetooth and TVs and all. But today, I'm not gonna do the music test. I'm gonna do the Dolby Atmos sound test here, and we're gonna check the sound, how it is, the Dolby sounds coming from this two Edifier speakers. So let's start.
Welcome to Dolby Atmos. Please put on your headphones. It's a new way to experience sound. Unlike stereo, which is limited to 2 audio channels, Dolby Atmos can manipulate individual sounds in 3D space to position sounds all around you. Sounds can move above you, far away, or right up close. Let's compare. This is stereo. And this is Dolby Atmos. Dolby Atmos can build worlds of sound to tell any story. It catches all the little details, puts you in the center of the action. It sounds just like the real world, and transports you to faraway lands. Go inside the story with breakthrough sound. Dolby Atmos.